Hello, students. So, welcome to the new chapter of Mathematics 1, which is vectors. You have already studied in 11th standard about vectors, their scalar product, multiplication, addition, subtraction, so many operations on them. So, in mathematics topic, we will see more things about vectors. Now you already know if AB bar is a vector whose initial point is point A and terminal point is point B, then we denote the magnitude of that vector AB bar as mod of AB bar. And suppose O is some original point, then AB bar is given as B bar minus A bar, which is OB bar minus OA bar. That means you have to find a distance OB bar, distance between origin and point B, and then distance between origin and point A, subtract OA bar from OB bar to get B bar minus A bar. So in this particular chapter you are going to check whether the given vectors are collinear. Okay, that means they all lie in single straight line, or whether they are coplanar, that means they lie in a single plane, that is defined boundary, we call it as plane. Then we will also see scalar product, vector product, etc. So let's see few examples first. So very first example says, show that the 3 points A, B and C, see the coordinates, they are collinear. So in order to do that, what we have to do is, first we have to find vector A bar, B bar and C bar, which is corresponds to these points A, B, C respectively. Okay, and you know that these vectors will go to the according to 3 axes I, J and K. So accordingly we will assign values to A bar, B bar, C bar. Now in order to check whether these 3 points are collinear or not, what we will do is we have to find AB bar, AC bar or BC bar. If they are collinear, that means the one value of the vector, that is AB bar, is some multiple times of AC bar or vice versa. So if that condition is true, then we can say that the given vectors or given points are collinear. So let's solve this first. So my A bar vector is first I minus 2j plus 3k corresponding to point A. Vector B bar is 2I bar plus 3j bar minus 4k. Okay, you have to write cap or caret sign as it is a vector. And point C is 0I bar minus 7j bar plus 10k bar. Okay, now first find AB bar. So what is AB bar? B bar minus A bar. Just substitute these values, you will get the answer. Done. Accordingly we will substitute. So we get, just see, I bar minus j bar, so this is this is plus 5j bar, then minus 7k bar. Okay, let this be equation 1. So AB bar is nothing but I bar plus 5j bar minus 7k bar. Okay, similarly find AC bar, which is C bar minus A bar. So we will consider these two values. So we will get like this. minus so if you continue like that you will be getting minus I minus 5j plus 7k. Now what you can do from equation 2, we can just take out minus sign out and we can write it like this. Okay, so that means what you can observe from equation 1 and 2 is AB bar is, or rather I can say AC bar is minus 1 times AB bar. So that is, it is a scalar multiple of AB bar. Therefore, the points are collinear. Now see the second example, in which they have given the two vectors which are already collinear and you have to find the missing value of second vector's kth component, which is p. So we will have to say that when the two vectors are collinear, that means one vector is some k times of other vector. Okay, so we will write as 9i solution 9i minus 15j plus pk is some m times of this particular vector. Okay, so comparing each with the coefficient, so we can write it as 9 is equal to 3m, then minus 15 is equal to minus 5m, and p is equal to m, right? So therefore here we can get m as 3 from both these. Therefore since p is equal to m, therefore p is also 3, which is the answer. Okay, got it? Now consider another example. Show that these vectors are coplanar. Okay, now for showing them to be in the same plane, again we have to say that first vector is m times the multiple of second vector plus n times third vector. Okay, we'll see how to solve this. So first let us assume these are a bar, b bar and c bar. Okay, now let vector A as mb bar plus nc bar. In order to show they are coplanar, we have to like how we have done in the earlier example for collinearity, similarly coplanarity, we have to write it, or we have to assume it that first vector is in terms of second and third. Okay, so if I just say so, then I can write it as 4i plus 13j minus 18k is equal to m times second vector, that is b bar, I bar minus 2j plus 3k plus n times, that is n times 2i plus 3j minus 4k. Okay, so just solve this. You will get I coefficient, taking it together you will get m plus 2n I plus minus 2m minus 3n j plus 3m minus 4n k. Okay. Now if I compare ith coefficient of LHS and RHS, jth coefficient like that, what I will be getting? Okay, we can write it as 4 is equal to m plus 2n, 13 is equal to minus 2m minus 3n, minus 18 is equal to 3m minus 4n. Let it be equation 1, 2 and 3. Now solve any two of this. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am multiplying equation 1 by 2. So multiplying equation 1 by 2, we will be getting 8 is equal to 2m plus 4n, and now adding equation 2 and 4, we get 13 में डायरेक्ट कर रही हूँ, 13 plus 8 21 is equal to 0 plus n. So n I have got 21. So if I resubstitute in equation 1, I will be getting m as minus 38. Okay, so that is the value of n and m. Okay, is it correct or have I done some mistake? Adding, so first I multiplied this by 2, so I've got it as 8 plus 2m plus 4n, and then when I'm adding 2 and 4, adding 1 and 4 आना चाहिए, 1 and correct, 2 and 4. So 21 is equal to 0. I'm sorry, here we have correct. I will just check and let you know. Yeah, I've got my mistake. Here I have written in vector C 2i plus 3j minus 4k. Okay, so this is plus 3n. So if I solve, I get here adding 7n, so n as 3. Once I get n as 3, when I substitute here, that is 6 and m as minus 2. Okay, so we have got n and m value as 3 and minus 2, right? So similarly, you just check with a, that means what you have to do is put these values in equation 3, that is this. So again you will be getting the same thing. Therefore a bar is a linear combination of b bar and c bar. Okay, so when I put it here, I can write it as a bar as minus 2b bar, see this equation, plus, so if I'm going to get it like that, I can write this as a bar as minus 2b bar plus 3c bar, hence a, b, c are vectors are coplanar. Okay.